Wow, I can't believe I'm a curl friend now. I'm so ready to take the day and show the world how a real curl girl gets down.
Wow, Grace, is that you with the new do?
Yes, girl, you see the curls, but do the curls see you?
Ooh, I see you over there, girl. Now tell me this. How can I get my hair popping like that?
Well, first, you need some hair.
Well, excuse the curl out of me.
Your excuse. Curlfriend, yeah, that's me. To show all these girls on campus how to get their curl on, okay? All right, curls, it's been a long day. Now it's finally time for bed. Another day, another curl. Time for bed. Crap, I'm late! What in the curls and coil? Oh my gosh, I cannot be a curl friend looking like this. Curly Sue who? Oh my gosh, maybe this curl maintenance can help me out. Okay, this is okay, looks good so far. Okay.
This Fix My Hair is amazing. I just don't know how to use it.
Oh my gosh, I have class in 15 minutes. This is a curl-tastrophe.
Dang, girl! I thought you was about to get your curl on.
Yay, girl, I thought you was about to get your curl on.
Well, looky. my, how the curls have turned.
I'm not in the mood.
Yeah, not in the mood to do your hair. My hair looks better than hers.
Delo's hair came out perfect when she used the Seal It Up.
Thanks for holding the door.
Ooh, do you see her hair? Oh my God. She really needs some half and half.
Half and half is for hydrating. Is she saying my hair looks dry?
I can't do this anymore. I need to call somebody. Hello, Delo?
Well. If it isn't Miss Curly Sue herself, how may we help you today?
I need your help. So the other day, my curls were popping and everybody on campus loved it. And then I went to bed and I woke up and everybody hated me because my curls fell out. And I just don't know what to do.
So what you're saying is you don't really know how to get your curl on?
No, Delo, I don't know how to get my curl on.
Okay. Well, how about you put together a little girls' night for me and my crew so we can come and show you how we really get down.
So you're gonna help me get my curl on?
I ain't say all